In this video, I'm going to be creating a ceramic tile trinket tray using ResinCrete by JDiction, which is an eco resin mixed with water. I'm using my same glue mixture there that I used in videos 181 and 185. It's basically 2 parts white glue to 1 part of water, and that's what I use to set my tiles down. For the JDiction ResinCrete, I'm mixing up 200 grams of powder to 60 grams of water. That's what you need for this mold. I didn't need quite that much because the tiles took up space in the mold, but I was probably only about a tablespoon over, not that much. So there I'm just mixing it, and I'll mix it faster because who wants to watch mixing ResinCrete for 20 minutes. And what I found, I've been doing a lot of eco resin recently, and it's funny how thin this mixture is. Some other products are thicker than this, and I think in the future I'm going to start waiting a little bit before pouring till the mixture thickens up a little bit, especially when adding colors to it. But I figured if the little white glue trick worked with the terrazzo tiles that I did in videos 181 and 185, it should work with these bigger tiles. So there I'm just tapping the edges, trying to get rid of any air bubbles, and there's a little bit of extra I have left that I'm just adding to fill up the mold. And this is not one of our molds. This is one of my most unfavorite molds, but it works good for the ResinCrete stuff and when I'm just doing experiments like I am with this one. I found these great tiles. I ended up buying a bunch of tiles from Home Depot, and these worked out great. I have these are very shiny ones. I have some that have a matte surface. And then after about 20 minutes, it's time to demold. Love how fast that goes. And even though the glue had dried, I still had a wet surface here. I probably could have just sanded it off, but instead I started off using just some, I don't know, rubbing alcohol, I think, and using my fingernails to scratch around the edges. I think eventually I got out a screwdriver or something. It was very thin there on the edges, and I did get some nice sharp edges. As you see there, I'm using my nails. Wonder why I go get my nails done if I'm using it as a tool. But I won't do the whole thing of clearing this up. You'll see the finished result there. So that looks really nice. The glue did leave some marks because I think it dried bubbling, so I won't use that the next time. And here I'm just using some lemon wax polish. You just use a little microfiber cloth to add it, and it makes it water resistant, not waterproof, but it's a nice finish. It gives it a nice little gloss finish. Usually I put a spray varnish on the bottom, but I think I end up doing the lemon wax here because I've got some new cork feet that I can put on these eco resin things to protect them from the tabletops. If you want to try your own ResinCrete project like this, use our link below in the description for 10% off any purchase at JDictionCraft.com.